Alright, so I've got that many miles, 13 and change. Everything's going good with it. Haven't had any problems. Just things I've done to it so far is the oh, I got a wave. Haha, yeah. Alright, the things I've done to it, put the M4 exhaust on it, put the Shogun sliders, bar end sliders, spool sliders, and frame sliders. I might be getting a used cage from someone online though, just for some extra protection, so I can try to do wheelies a little bit more and not be a little bitch about it and being afraid of wrecking my bike. What else? I did order a USB charger adapter. It's gonna go right here, right there. So that'll be nice to charge my phone on the go. Because I do listen to music. I've got a, it's like a knockoff Sena pretty much. It's like a BT something. It was like 50 bucks on Amazon for everything, and volume and everything on it is good. No complaints. For 50 bucks instead of spending, you know, 150 or 200 bucks on a Sena, I would take that little bit of a difference. I do not care. Alright, we're looking for a shitty blue R6. Shitty blue. I'm gonna go park in the shade. Hopefully this moose knuckle will show up on time. Oh, he's by the fucking tire center. Hey, there's that little shit R6. God damn. Praise you, Kyle, for wearing a fucking black heavy jacket in this fucking weather. How are you not fucking dead? Huh? How are you not dead?
Dude.
Holy fuck. I'm sweating my balls off and I've got a fucking red t-shirt on.
This fucking bitch, dude. I put it on the charger last night. She fucking knocked it off. Lasted the whole way here and just fucking died.
Damn, bro. Can't trust these hoes.
Oh, I'm gonna be so bored.
I'm sorry.
Can you close the vent in my arms?
Where is it? Right here?
No, up here. Up by like my bicep.
Oh, you want it closed?
Yeah.
Why?
Because dude, it like grabs too much air and like blows me around.
Oh, dude.
I have these open. That's good enough here. Ow! You're pinching me.
Thank
you.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. This is so gay. I'm about to go in there and buy fucking, I don't even know, portable fucking charger.
I don't know if they.
How the fucking thing to charge it.
Yeah. Guess you gotta ride like an old man. Just listen to the wind.
I did that all last night. It was boring. I don't know, dude. So I'll get my fucking zip line, man.
God damn, it is hot as shit out. Look at this fucking scrub. He's got his shoe untied. What a little bitch. We are going to Everglades City, Florida to get some gator nuggets. It is delicious and nutritious. So I got the Icon, and I apologize for the shitty quality, but I got an Icon variant helmet. It was like library level quiet. It was delicious. I didn't even get to really fucking moto vlog with it because I didn't really have time to. And it kind of started falling apart. So I'm trying to return it. I sent it back to the company, and I'm hoping they're going to accept my return and give me my money back so I can get something else, because I can't trust a helmet that's fucking falling apart. Some rubber seals and I don't know what you'd call it, like this like glued liner. It's small stuff, but it's just, if I'm gonna pay $350 for a helmet and a visor, I want that shit to last more than 3 hours of riding, because that's all it started falling apart after 3 hours, so fuck that. But so I'm looking to get the Bell Qualifier something. It's like an old Air Force type theme. It looks badass. I used to have a Honda Rebel, and I kind of made it an Air Force theme, World War II, and I painted it matte army green. But it's got the Air Force from back in the day, and it also has that matte army green that I'm in love with. So I'm hoping I can get that shit, because this is just too fucking noisy. Like, I could hear myself think in the Icon. This thing, it's non-stop fucking slapping a dick in my face. Hey, you gonna give me a little symbol? Oh, you fucking looked at me and you didn't even give me the symbol? What a bitch. I'll tell you what though, this like $50 or $70 Amazon helmet that I got a year ago, it's good for supporting my helmet in case I fall, you know, maybe like a foot off the ground. That's what it's good for at this point, because it's kind of really shitty. And it's also good for letting a shit ton of air in. There's so many cracks and broken like little vents that are supposed to work on this fucking piece of shit that just don't work. So yeah, it's great for keeping me cool. Me personally, I fucking love third gear. Third gear is my go-to. It's got so much fucking torque just to take off. Fourth gear too, I mean, if I'm going like, what am I going? I'm going like 60 right now. It still has got some pep, but I do love my third gear. Oh shit. That scared me. It's kind of funny. I was like, what type of exhaust do you have, dude? And he's like, I don't know. There's like the stickers or whatever else that was on it like came off, but if you look at it from a certain angle, it's something racing, so I don't know what the fuck it is, but when he blares by you like that, it's actually pretty loud. But I'm thinking about getting some clutch levers. I wasn't really sold on it, but if I want to do some power wheelies, these stock ones are no bueno. Kind of hard. I got little tiny baby fingers, so that doesn't help. I'm a size medium glove, guys. Don't judge me. What the fuck? Think you're so cool? Sitting on your tank and driving? Harley, I used to have, like, you had to pull into the clutch pretty hard and then disengage it. This thing, like, you can just barely pull on it and do whatever. So with me barely pulling on it, I just want something a little bit closer to my fingers. Same thing with this. Well, this one's, I don't really care about this one, but I'm trying to do the 2-finger or 3-finger clutch. I really wish he'd fallen over. That would have been a good video. But yeah, I need to get used to this 2-finger play action bullshit. I mean, the way I do it, you know, is pretty standard for every motorcyclist. You just reach in like this and go like that and just pop it out. Green light. It's so windy out, guys. Pushing my little bike over. I'll probably post a video when I install the USB charger. I've seen a lot of people for this bike. They put them right here. You actually can take these clips off right here and cut a little hole and then kind of flush mount it. And I like the look of that. And then, why is this driving like a bitch? Like, the fuck is you doing? Like, what was the need to get in front of me like that? He's doing the retarded thing. You did. What you doing? Oh, choke on some dick now. Sucky. Oh, are we gonna get a wave? No, oh, there was a wave. Okay, last minute. Ah! You attacked me, you son of a bitch. God damn, my titties are showing. Shirt's getting ridden up. Ooh, she passing on double yellow. Damn, she passing on a turn too.
I mean, I guess if a Chrysler PT Cruiser can do that, I can do that too.
I will say it just like that when the cop pulls me over. Oh my god, is it necessary to go fucking 20 miles an hour right now? I even dropped the gear for this. Oh. This motherfucker is doing like the Superman. What a shitty time to get speed wobble. Right, guys? This Harley guy's like, oh, what a dumbass. The one thing about riding in Florida, which kind of sucks, is that it's just straight roads with an occasional turn up ahead, like what is up ahead. So, oh yeah, this is the shitty curve. minutes it is.
So I didn't know that on the way back of the trip that my GoPro ran out of memory, so I didn't really get any of that. But nothing really interesting happened anyway. So, but when I came home, I did get the USB charger that I was talking about. Up here, kind of dark, you can't see that, but I'm just gonna include like a couple minute video of the install. The install's extremely easy. You don't need to rewire or crimp anything. So here's a little video at the end, and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that, YouTube and my Instagram. Alright, peace out. Alright, so this is the USB charger and put on. It's gonna sit right up here. I already have the plastic piece off for now. It's pretty simple, just a long single wire. There's the fuse. You got the positive and the negative, except real easy. Comes with 3mm mount to put it pretty much anywhere, but hopefully I can get it up there. So what I'm going to do with this is the piece that it's going to sit on. I'm going to cut a hole right there, a little rectangle to fit that flush in there. Also comes with a lot of zip ties, and it comes with more tape and another fuse. Alright, so we cut a hole. We got it pretty flush where I want it. Alright, so we ran positive, negative, all that in here. I just zip tied it there. We ran it underneath the tank. I zip tied it to right here, right there. Brought it around this way up here, and that is what it looks like. Alright, so here's the finished product. It's mounted flush right here. Looks pretty good. I had a couple little scrapes that I did with the Dremel, but overall works great. Doesn't move. This is supposed to be waterproof or water resistant. I don't know how much I really trust that, but whatever. Does work great though for, I think it was like 15 bucks on Amazon. It does have that like 3mm attachment that you can kind of put it either on the side of a tank or a fender or fairing, whatever. So yeah, highly recommend it. Works great. Charge your phone on the go.